Hey, what's up everybody, V here. So, walking around Walmart and I see these for 20 bucks. Just some Jlab Go Air POPs, true wireless. I'm like, I gotta do a video on these. So we're just gonna check it out and see how it is. Just give me a second. We'll get right into this. So, okay, like I said, I was walking around, saw these, 20 bucks. I'm like, okay, let's go ahead, check these out. You know, if you haven't yet, please like, comment, subscribe to my videos. 32 hours of playtime on these. Comes with a case. Looks like 2 sets of gels. 3 sets of gels. 2 are on the buds already. See, 16% smaller, custom EQ sound, dual connect on either earbud, 32 hours of Bluetooth playtime. See here, so now look at that. I've already opened, let me let you know. So I started shooting a video. I get halfway through and I notice my screen shuts off. I'm like, I wasn't recording. So now I'm recording. I had already started busting it open anyway. So let's finish. Here we go. And just to let you know, my delay on some of my videos, I mean, some people might not care. I am really busy. My boys are on 2 different basketball teams each, 2 different baseball teams. Not to mention school and all that going. There's a book here. Every time I need to shoot a video, I basically got to move to a different part of the house to do it. So I don't have a designated studio space or whatever. So it looks like here, your gel tips are inside this little part here. Let's look at them. I mean, you guys know what gel tips look like, but there we go. So you get the 3 sets. What else do we have? Nothing else in the box. You notice there's no charging cable. These, let's see here, have them automatically attached already. So it's a USB, excuse me, there you go. So it's not type C. And then the buds are here. Jlab branding right there. Let's pull them out here. 2. They're pretty light. I'm gonna check the fit here in a second. Got the case here. Trying to paste a magnet on it. Seems like a pretty good magnet. It's okay. We'll test them out once we get the. Let's put these in and then give it a shake. And the case is, you can tell it's already, looks like it's charging them. Yeah, so it's pretty good. Stays shut. Pop those open. Give me a second. I'm gonna pop these on, do a little quick ear test, and see how they sound. Give me a minute. So, okay. I was checking these out. I paired them and everything. So to pair them, you just, it has this little sticker in between the contacts when you first open the case up. I think you see me take them off. So you just do that and you close it, and it automatically pairs with the phone. You'll see the Jlab, well, I shouldn't say automatic. It pops up on the phone as Jlab. You just hit the Jlab button to pair and you good. So I gotta say, these sound pretty good. Again, I'm not an audiophile or anything, but these sound pretty good for 20 bucks. I turned the bass up. Let's see, I'm gonna check the one ear. Oh yeah, I mean, it sounds good. I turned it up max volume, and max volume is still tolerable. So I mean, it doesn't get crazy loud, but I mean, it's enough for me. I don't need it bumping really loud. So again, it sounds really good. And so let me go over some of the instructions here, just on the volume and everything. And I'm gonna just go from the thing. So the button function. So the left one is volume up, is 1 tap. Siri or Google is a double tap. Track back, press and hold 1 second. This is on the left earbud. On the right earbud, you got the volume up, a single tap. Double tap is play or pause. Track forward, you press and hold 1 second. Answer a call is a single tap. This is on either earbud. Double tap to hang up. Reject incoming calls. Press and hold 1 second. EQ exchange, triple tap. So that's about it, man. Like I said, for 20 bucks, you may want to check these out. I will have a link in the description below. These are the Jlab Go Air Pops. I am trying to get more consistent with my video, guys. Again, it's really hectic around here. It's just craziness. Anyhow, Jlab Go Air Pop. This is V. I'm out.